Hello guys, my name is Bryce Paden and this is my module number 1 in EDL 853. A little bit about me personally. I've been married to my wife Hannah here for 6 years. We have 2 daughters, Parker who's 4 and Hallie will be 2 here in a couple short weeks. Yeah, they mean a lot to me. I have a love for coaching, along with teaching, but teaching relationships and then having some students, coaching them and getting even a deeper bond and relationship with them means a lot to me. I am an avid KU fan, as you can see below. I love spending time with my family and being outdoors. I also got a smoker and enjoy grilling out and smoking meats. A little bit professionally, I work at Riverside USD 114. It's a consolidated school district in Elwood, Wathena, Kansas. Currently, I am the physical education teacher for grades 6th through 8th, and this is my 6th year in that position. I graduated from Washburn University in 2015. I received a K through 8 license and also a special education provisional license. My first teaching job was in my school district right now, but I was as the special education 3rd through 5th, and that really was so great for me. And I look back, and I think it's going to have a lot to do with this class, and I'll be able to learn even more. I'm currently the head football coach and baseball coach here at the high school, and this is my 6th course in the program, so I'm almost halfway through. Okay, a little bit about inclusion culture. What is the role of the administrators? Honestly, first off is to set the tone with positive attitude. We're the first ones that everybody's gonna be looking at coming into the buildings, and we have to portray that. Make sure that it's evident everybody's going to be treated equally. That's a given, but everybody needs to be able to have the right to success in education. Get staff members to understand the importance of inclusion and diversity and to embrace it. There's a difference between understanding the importance and then proactively using that when they can in their classrooms. Make inclusion culture part of the school mission statement. That should be in, if a school is wanting to promote that within, then it needs to be in the mission statement. What if it doesn't exist? You have to make it a priority to get stakeholders, community members, parents involved in the school. Having game nights. I just saw a flyer this last week. They're doing a mother-son night. Getting parents involved, getting businesses involved, getting the major stakeholders involved in your school. Get them in there and see what exactly you're doing. Provide staff with the resources needed, whether that be professional development or extra time for collaboration or discussions. And I think most important is set high standards for me as a future leader and my staff. You have to have those high expectations. Excuse me. What support can school leader provide to encourage advocacy? All students have value and are able to learn. It just may look different. Allow and encourage a space for discussion of their thoughts and feelings for students and teachers. Help prepare and train staff for different situations. They need to feel confident in what they're doing to be able to even help a student. Excuse me, sorry. And build trust through relationships with staff and students. Trust and relationships is key. What plans and strategies can be implemented to ensure that inclusive culture is happening? You should be allowing adequate time for collaboration amongst staff and discussions with students. Establish a respectful class climate. Be sure that curriculum is diverse and suits the students' needs and that they are appropriate. What steps can a school leader take to change the negative assumptions? Going back, focus on the community approach, get them involved, let the, if there's negativity swirling around the outside of your school, then I think that it's our job as the school leaders to promote that. In what way do we do that? We have to get them involved. We have to get them in situations to change their mind, to get them out of that assumption. Get parents involved. All sorts of things. We had a high number of parents come in for parent-teacher conferences. It was because there was a TV raffle. We're in a lower socioeconomic status area, and that brought parents in. And recently we didn't do that, and we haven't had quite the turnout. But you've got to get the parents involved, because if the parents aren't involved and they don't see what we're doing for their students or their children, then they're not going to buy in either. You got to remain positive and strive for goals. You have to continue to aim towards your goals and constantly be positive in the community and in the school. If they see you, if somebody's walking in to drop their trapper off for their child, you need to greet them. They need to see you talking to teachers, talking with students as you go by. Just building relationships is the last point there, and those are such key to everything that we do in the schools. And here are my references. Thank you very much. I look forward to this course.